Right, we're looking at the final question in electricity. You've got a hairdryer here. You've got it's plugged into the mains. It's got a plastic cover or body. That is the mains. So it'll be 230 volts. AC. What is AC? Alternating current. Right, okay. State which wire in the hairdryer should be in series with the fuse. So it'll be the live wire. So when you've just said that's your cable, you have, right, we're gonna have to do this. Have I even got a brown? No, I've not got brown. Right, what we'll do is pretend this is brown. Nope. So this is brown. Or live. Then you've got green and yellow. That is earth or CPC or whatever you want to call it. And then you've got blue, which is neutral. Right. And what they're saying, state which wire in the hairdryer should be in series with the fuse. So what happens is, where's the, what can I do here? I can do that. Right. There's the fuse. And what you need to do is you need to connect that. So if anything goes wrong, this fuse breaks or melts, the wire melts, and then the electricity, the current comes up to here and it stops and it doesn't go into the component. Right, okay. So this is where your plug is. This is where your socket is. Right, I don't know if that's made it confusing, but right, we'll crack on. The fuse is an electrical safety feature used in mains operated domestic appliances. Basically, it comes out of the wall socket. So there's your double plug. Right, that's mains electricity. State two of the electrical safety features that can be used in mains operated domestic appliances. You've got that, which is the earth wire. You've got a circuit breaker at the consumer unit. So you just got to learn this. Why they've asked you to do this at this level, I don't know. You've got double insulation, so you've got a plastic body here. You've got and you get this symbol. It's double insulation. So the plastic, the outer body is plastic, so there's no conduction of electricity. That makes it a bit safer. And then you've got the cables are insulated. So what you do is you have, right, this is the copper. This is the copper. on the copper you will have a the blue, so you'll have a blue insulation, and then on top of that you'll have gray. Have I even got a gray? No, I haven't. Let's just pretend that's gray. You'll have a gray sheath, so you've got double insulation there anyway. Okay, let's move on. Earth wire, circuit breaker, the two most obvious ones. Right now we're doing a hairdryer has a current of 9.6 amps, a voltage of 230 volts. We want to link power, current, voltage, PIV, right? So we can write power, learn it in the word format. Okay. Right, calculate the power and give the unit, so don't miss that mark out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. So we're trying to work out power, so we put P equals, current is 9.6 and voltage is 230. So 2200, and then it's going to be 2200 watts. So that's the unit, that's the mark for the unit. Right, the hairdryer contains a coil of wire which is used to heat air passing through the hairdryer, Explain why the coil of wire heats up when there's current in it. Right, three marker. Right, the coil or the wire or the coil, the wire in the coil has resistance, yeah. Right. So as the electricity or the electrons flow through the wire, they collide with the ions in the coil and lose energy. Okay. Okay. So 1, 2, and then they lose energy. So that energy is transferred to the air particles. Explain how a fuse protects a domestic appliance. So there's 3 marks, yeah. So what happens is when you have a large current, or they've used the word excessive, or too large a current, excessive current. Right, so there's your fuse and there's a wire running through it. When you've excessive current, this wire will start heating up. Yeah, this wire will start heating up, and it's this one that's a different rating. When it gets too much, right, the heat will melt the fuse wire, and then just add and break the circuit. So that's how you can write it. So there's 3 points. it'll break the circuit or stop the current or however you want to word it, but this is how they've worded it. So just learn it this way. This sort of question is like a standard question that creeps up a lot. So if they do throw it in, you've got it. That's it. Done. Well done. That hurt my head, but it's over. We are now officially electricity experts.